Hello there and welcome to our TesTaker exam simulation program demo. Thanks for taking time out to check this out. I promise you that this will be a very imperative tool in your success in passing your insurance or securities licensing exam. And we'll go ahead and get to it. We don't want to mess around here, but you see here on the screen here in the video is what the exam simulation program looks like once you launch it after installing it on your computer. Keep in mind this is not a Mac compatible program. It can be used on PCs including the Vista operating system. So we see here we're using our Series 7 as an example, but regardless of the title you purchase, it's going to look the same. We have these options in the upper right hand corner of the program, and we click the first button, options there. These are things that you can essentially modify the delivery of the exams with. So you can click to do these various things and basically modify the delivery of the exams to suit your needs in whatever way that you can study best as far as your learning style goes. So you click any of those off, click apply. Then we have this category buttons. This is what you're going to want to select to modify what question categories are delivered to you when you launch an exam. Now you launch the exam by clicking any of these buttons here to go into the different exams within the program. Up here we have a scores button. That's what's going to keep track of your score as you're taking the practice exams. And down here we have two different delivery formats in which you can take the exams. Learning mode is going to be much more controllable by you as far as the categories you get and the options when the exam's delivered. Down in certification mode, it's more like the real exam where you can pick however many questions you want to launch per exam, but it's going to be all mixed up as far as the categories go when it's delivered to you. So we're going to take a look at launching the exam in learning mode, and we're going to choose our category. We're going to pull out taxation. We'll move it over there. And we'll go ahead and select down here the number of questions that we're going to take from taxation when we launch the exam, and that can be any number you want. So we put the number in there, click apply, and we can launch this exam. We're going to pull practice exam 1, but we can pull any of those ones we wanted to do, and we click launch learning mode. And we have the sound indicators there. It's going to launch the exam. Now when we launch this up, we can make this window basically as big as we want as we view it on our screen here. And when we view the text within the exam, we also have the ability to make it as big or as small as we want basically. So we'll go ahead and make it big so we can see it here in the video. Now we have the question, the answers, and up here we have a mark question button, review button. Our score is going to show for us as we go through the exam. Well, obviously I just showed you we could control the text size. We click this help button. It displays directions on all the buttons within the exam telling us what we do there. Explanation button, show answer, back, question, next question, end. So we go ahead and click an answer. We click next. It's going to indicate with us with the sound and also this pop-up telling us we got it correct or incorrect. Unfortunately, we got it incorrect, but it's going to show correct answer and also the explanation and our score down here. So we click OK. Select the next answer we think it is. Click next. Got that one wrong too, unfortunately. Next question. Got that one right. So when you get a question right, and depending again on the settings you select, it's going to go ahead and go on to the next question. So we click select an answer there and get to the last one in the exam and click finish. Now it's going to bring up our score report here. It's going to tell us our score was 20%. We needed 70% to pass, as is the passing exam or passing score for the Series 7 exam. It tells us down here scores by category. Had we selected more than one category, we would have multiple things listed here. Taxation, we got 1 of 5 correct, 20%. And down here it's going to list for us the question, answers, what we chose as the answer, the correct answer, and the explanation. So this is a great review tool after you're done with each exam to go through, look through there and review. Click to close that. It's going to take us back to the program homepage, and we can go on studying from there. Some other things we see here, the flashcards. We can launch exams in flashcard mode. What that is the front part of the flashcard is going to show the question, the back part's going to show the answer. So some people utilize that, and that's available there to you. Score history down here at the bottom obviously keeps track of our score reports for us, and we can delete our score history. Not our score reports, but it's just basically going to show us what we scored on the exams, when we took it, what exam we took, and so forth. So that's basically it as far as a little demo of this program here. It's available on our site and also can be utilized in addition to any other study material you purchased, whether you use it in addition to our study material or another vendor. It doesn't matter. It's all about increasing your ability to pass your exam, and that's what we're here for. So thank you for checking out our demo here, and we look forward to helping you pass your exam on your first attempt. Have a great day.